Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we will learn an agile prioritization technique called dot voting. Dot voting is a quick and simple way for a group to prioritize a list of items such as features, ideas, or tasks. It helps the team reach consensus by showing which items are most popular. Step 1. List the options. Imagine the team writes all the ideas clearly on a board. Here are 4 example features. Step 2. Give out dots. Each team member gets the same number of dots, usually 3 to 5, to represent their votes. Step 3. Vote. People place their dots next to the items they believe are the highest priority. You can stack all dots on one item or spread them out. Step 4. Count the results. The items with the most dots become the highest priority for the team. Why use dot voting? It is fast, it is visual, and it ensures everyone has a voice. It prevents the loudest person from dominating the decision. Let us do a simple math example. Suppose a team of 5 people is choosing a feature. Each person gets 3 dots. That gives a total of 15 dots. After voting, the results might look like this. Feature A has 8 dots, Feature B has 4, Feature C has 2, and Feature D has 1. Feature A is the clear priority because it received 8 out of 15 dots, which is more than half of the total votes. When should you be careful? First, if 2 items are very similar, votes can split between them and make each look less important. Second, people sometimes follow the leader. A good fix is to vote at the same time or use secret voting. That is dot voting. It is quick, visual, and fair, and it helps teams build a shared priority list. Thanks for watching.